Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my platform of the Pharmapedia once again with a new video of the CBC series. So let's begin the video. In this video we are going to discuss about the WBCs. In the previous video we were discussed about the platelets and RBCs and the basic physiology of blood. So this is basically the assessment of the previous video. In this case you have to identify the case. Its reference range is 4 to 11, that means the 4500 to 11,000, and its lifespan is hours to few days. What is leukocytosis? As the name indicates, cytosis, that means the increase in the any cell count. So leuco means obviously there is an increase in the leukocyte count, and the leukocyte are the WBCs. So increased WBCs and some reasons and some causes of the leukocytes are full-term newborns, leukemic condition, bacterial infections, tissue damage and inflammation. You can easily interlink the leukocytosis and leukopenia if you attend the assessment. I'm giving the assessment link in the description box, and also the right answers of the assessment of the ABC of CBC or the interpretation of the CBC in my description box. So go and check out that. Now what is the leukopenia? Leukopenia is the decrease in the WBCs or the TLC, and some causes of the leukopenia: viral infection, chemotherapy, severe infection and diurnal variation. Neutrophils, one of the subtype of the leukocyte, and you can easily check out this neutrophil in the WBC differential. It is a predominant WBC in adult. And what is the purpose of the neutrophils and the function of the neutrophils? It helps in the phagocytosis, and when you feel the bacterial infection and when you're having the bacterial infection, so your neutrophil counts are elevated. So its basic functions to protect our body from the bacterial infections. Now lymphocytes, another WBC differential. It's predominant WBC in the pediatric, and it protect our body from the viral infections. Along with this, another type of the WBC differential or the WBC subtype protect our body from the viral infection. Which type of the WBC differential or subtype of the WBC protect our body from the viral infection? This is my question. So let me know about your right answer in the chat box. Acute lymphoid leukemia, this is the type of blood cancer, and CLL. Another type of the WBC, that is monocytes. It is also known as the tissue macrophages, and it also have role in the phagocytosis along with the neutrophils. So along with the neutrophils, it protect our body from the bacterial infections. So in the chronic inflammation and malignancy, you can see in the CBC monocytes are elevated. Eosinophils, higher levels in newborn, allergy reaction, asthma, parasitic infections and CML. CML again is the blood cancer. Now basophils is the least numerous of the leukocytes inflammatory response, and you can say that it have a role in the hypersensitivity reactions. There are the 4 types of the hypersensitivity reactions. So it contributes to severity of the allergy reactions, and in the CML cases basophils are elevated. Leukocyte differential, it is an automated or manual 5-part differential you can get in the CBC or the leukocyte differential. If relative expressed in percentage and absolute is expressed in cell per volume. Use WBC and relative count to obtain the absolute value, and here you can see the leukocyte differential reference range, and the most common and the most found WBC differential or the subtype of the WBC is neutrophil, and secondary to the neutrophils are lymphocyte, and the least WBC subtype found in our body is basophil. So just outside the box, this is just for relax your mind. What kind of a bank are you running? What do you mean I can't make a withdrawal? That means there is a picture of the blood bank. So that's all from this video, and here the CBC interpretation course come to an end. If you watch all the videos of this series, so must attempt the test or the assessment. The link is given in the description box to assess your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching this. Take care and Allah Hafiz.